Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down Bitcoin's price action as of June 10, 2025. The market has been showing some interesting movements, so let's dive into the charts and see what's the next for BTC. And at the same time, before we jump into the analysis, I want to let you know that this video is sponsored by Funded Next, one of the leading property trading firms in the crypto space. If you are looking to trade with a higher capital and keep up to 90% of the profits, check out the Funded Next using my link in the descriptions. They offer flexible evaluation programs and instant withdrawals, and even a 50% discount for my viewers. Now let's get into the charts. So, as we see, that today is the trending, showing the really increase in the sum percentage. 1 second, I will demonstrate it. Let's try to calculate the percentage of the jump, and the percentage is really nice. It's test it to the level of the bounce, and the BTC demonstrates that the jumping in the 5% of the on the few days, and the key levels to watch is really seriously support in this level of $106,822. This is a really important level for the retesting and expectations to the continuation, the pumping to the new all-time high, So the chart demonstrates us that there is the bottom, head and shoulders. At the same time, lots of the traders see this bottom, like the left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. And we saw that, but after this, we just trying to taste the strong level support that located in the 100,682, and we have tasted it, and we get the bounce since this level, and it means that this level is really strong for the buying here, and the support and resistance are very important here in the current situation. There is the very positive situation at all for the BTC for continuation of the pump. There are a lot of the decisions that inflow a lot in through the ETF factor and the macroeconomic news, that everything looks very well for BTC for the long term. But what about the current situation? At the same time, the pulling up the price since the local bounce demonstrated that the BTC made the new pattern head and shoulders. So let's to see it. It's like the left, right shoulder, head, left side. So it means in the long-term perspective, in the zooming out, Bitcoin remains at the bullish macro trend, with the natural halving approaching in the year of 2025, 2026 maybe. And in the conclusion, we must see the really strong buyers since the sensitive level for continuation this jump to the $150,000 per BTC, and I think it will be sooner or later, but we must only expect that the price must really demonstrate the power of the buyers. At the same time, there is the situation when the price is located in the global level for accumulation or distributions. Here we saw that there was the distributions in the sensitive level, and now the price is moving a little bit up, since these two seriously and very important levels for understand it, whether it accumulation or whether it distribution. The local trend will demonstrate us if the price will keeping up of the level of $108,000 it means that the price will be really red to continuation the pumping. Whether no, we just see there are a lot of the gaps under in the level that sensitive level of $100,000. And that's it for today's analysis. I also try to demonstrate to you the two scenarios that I support. It's only IMO, and I expect that the price must push down to testing this sensitive level for or to this level of $105,000 and half, and it will be mean for me that I expect to the move into the new all-time high. Whether no, um, we will see like the price will be make the deviation for local liquidity, and after that we must see the continuation, the dumping on the BTC, the local level to the previous local and in the midterm level were imported for testing something for moving back to this type of zone of the distribution. But basic scenario for today that I want to demonstrate to you, it's the first scenario with making the new all-time high. Everything also depends on the global situations, negotiations between China and the United States. It's everything influences the market, and especially in the stock markets and in the high risk market like the crypto. So I demonstrate to you the different scenarios, but the basic scenarios will be understand only after the testing these level of $108,000. So that's for that's for today's analysis. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. Let me know in the comments where do you think Bitcoin is headed next. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.